What had in a bed?
Ross, me never seen nothing. Our people welcome back to the channel. Irie-Acts today again, another video, alright, another reaction. Alright, so today, oh god, find a channel, actually find a Jamaican prank channel. Like, but I don't know if you remember King and Shay. I so reacted for them channel, but I don't know if you remember King and Shay, but them give off that type of vibe there. Like when them just start with the real prank them, yeah. You understand me? So you real like you can actually do them reaction. Like you understand me? I like them foreign prank the way them. Yeah, real. Come watch one of them. I just watch one of them to be honest. And the reaction after the one, and I just wanted them posted. The video was like 13 days ago. The one that I watched. So it you understand me, recent enough for me to say, and the reaction when they give off very real, like you can say him put it together and I really, you know, actually believe, you know what I mean. So see, alright, so this one now I guess trying to, I never watch it, one day I got them posted, so but just make a react to them latest one. So them name Shiva and Rosa. I'm looking for that. I don't want, yeah. So Shiva and Rosa.
T-Rex here go mad man go. You know see one go mad man like psychiatric. What do you?
Do it all in a moment.
Hold on, what does go on? Come never see.
T-Rex here go mad man go. You know see one go mad man like psychiatric. What?
Hold on, people. If you don't know why me a chat and a rant and a give my side, go and go watch a full video and then forward back here. So come watch it with me. You understand me? I just watch it with me and done.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. You know it's a girl chef, and today I'm here with a banger video. So as I'm telling the video, I was more than I don't know my father place. So guess what? Me decide say I'm gonna do a video like me I try to Rosa and I'm sleep physical reaction. So me want everybody to power tap. So I was asleep because guess what? We drink up one bag of liquor last night, and well, him drink up, me did not drink, but me no, me not drink like that. So me make him drink up, and me wake him up this morning, give him something and him gone back and sleep off it. So guess what me I go do? Me I go catch him in the night. Me go catch him. So I just stay tuned. So me go try like me I try to kill him in his sleep, or try to hurt him. So I just stay tuned.
Alright, so them it could intro them like them before the whole prank, yeah. Yeah. Oh, the door low, do you mind? Jesus Christ.
Oh yeah. Orang gitu man. Orang gitu. If you want to get up, why you put the pig over my face?
Are you sure that me I try to put it on and get some sleep?
You must say enough time if you like see and come mad man go. You must say one come mad man like a psychiatric. What do you?
That hurt.
Why you put the pig over my face for?
Are you sure if I take time out of
Me ask you a simple question. Why you put the pig over my face? Suppose it's time for me. Don't cut them to take time and talk. Don't cut them to take time and talk. Come and see you sick like you use and screw in your head, bro. Please don't tell me say that hurt you. Don't tell me say that hurt you. Do not put no figure over my face. You know what's me claustrophobic. Why you put?
Yeah, one thing in here, you can't wake up one certain way, you wake up them certain way. You gotta get a reaction when you're like, where's them tired and them, you gotta get a reaction when you're like, Lord have mercy.
Pick over my face, man. What kind of style them then?
What does I try to get some sleep with you?
Should already do it long still, so actually, because that's certain things should have make him fight, you know? Can they fight?
I want to lay down inside and you get some sleep.
See if you want to get inside of me, you know, walk me up and get inside of me. Why you playing here? You know, take time and talk, but I'm telling you, you know yourself, man. You know yourself, tap count about come babes. Tap count about come babes. You see me asleep because I disturb the peace. If you want to sleep, then you don't miss sleep.
I'm trying to lay down with you, just come now.
You're over me with the pillow. Why you over me with the pillow?
Come lay down with me.
No, come tell me something if you come lay down with you. Because
I try to lay down by your babes and me try to get it by you. You just.
Honestly, me feel like saying you could check out yourself mentally. Okay, you must is a fucking mental patient. He's a mental patient. He's a fucking mental patient. Why you put the pillow over my face? Me feel it over my face.
And over your face, it is over your neck.
Then why you over me with the pillow? Why you over me with the pillow? Answer.
Me I said the pillow good for lay down by you. You know, say some want lay down by me, man.
What do you? Tell me what do you?
Come lay down.
Tell me what do you? What do you?
Hey, it's serious. Yes, it's set. It feels serious after a while. Okay, I say, even though you laugh, but because we know say a prank, in that moment, you trust me. You don't know, because probably the camera hide, or it's not like, you know, that big old camera they wear them up, but I don't know. So, yo, just imagine you're in your sleep, and you're a girl, you understand me, vice versa, and you're a girl come over there, like, and she put it over your face. And by the time you go so you jump up, you say, hold on, what should I try to do? But then she'll go on like say, no babes, I just put me a foot. You get me and say, you look at her and say, but me know me feel the pillow up on my face. Where I do? You get me and say, they look like you can get kids to the car. Me want to tell her say shots like catch a bitch.
Man.
Come lay down.
Chef, just leave me alone, bro. It's fine.
Come lay down.
I get rest, but you come, you don't want to wake me up, man. Chef, no bother me. Just let me go get in the city. No bother with me. Listen, no bother with me. So you come here before. Bro, don't put no pick up on my fucking face.
I'm sorry.
Don't put no pick up on my face. Suppose it hurt me a while ago.
Alright, yeah, make it a big deal.
Stop following me up. Yo, just stop following me up. Just stop following me. Don't follow me.
Yeah,
You just say don't follow me up.
Where I go?
It's serious, it gets serious, see?
One night for dinner, babe.
Ross,
But
I never see knife, you know? I never see, you see it, you see it? No, tell me in the comments if you didn't see it before actual no, because I never see it, you know? Yo, look at that knife. What that now all the pink bag there, so me da wonder why everything, you know? Me da say, hold on now, which pink bag that? Which what that? What that? How for shirt that?
Yo, what night for dinner, babe? How night reaching in bed?
Oh shit.
No, answer the question. How night for doing in the bed?
People, go check out them channel. You see me? I tell you, give me goosebumps. Go check out. This is it. Yo, I like this. It's real emotion. Yes. This is what we want. This continue. We hope them continue that trend. Because you know, sometimes when they reach certain level, them just start. Yeah, but we hope them continue.
Yeah, me and protect yourself from.
if nobody.
Oh, you mean if nobody? What you mean by if nobody are coming at this place, sir? The place not lock up, the place not secure. They run family in there. One night for dinner bed.
Me secure.
You are secure me with knife in the bed.
I'm sure you're safe.
Yeah, make sure say me safe. After this, I've picked up for me. Can we call her bumbo clap people then, man?
Yes, not call them, madam.
Yo.
Me talk to you.
Chef, I work on me hard, bro.
Talk you do.
Chef, stop now, man. Touch me, man. Man, I tell you, I cut.
No, people, we not watch no more. No more. Yeah, man, we not watch no more. No more. Yes. Go and watch the rest. Yes. You know me can take in the rest of it, but you go and take in the rest of the video. Them name Chev and Rosa. See it there? Chev and Rosa go and go take in them channel this. Fuck yo, Jano. I don't want I tell you say me I watch some little channel me I say, yo, you understand me? But the film on the reaction them just feel real, dog. Like if no camera anybody there I saw them would have be. They get me and say, I saw that, so me like it, man. No camera na dede, and I saw no do that, still a be, but not smile and no. You understand, see, man? You see the last thing them say? Man, I go call him family. You know, as people in Africa, take it in. Sheba and Rosa, check it in. So, this is the people, Irie-Acts people. You know, it's a boy, Bush T. I'm out. It's a quick one, but don't go and go take it in channel. Hurry up, go on.